Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Windows 10 product keys. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here and search CMD, that is a command prompt, and click the run as administrator option here and select yes. And after that you have to give a command on this command prompt. The command is wmic space path space software software license software licensing service space get space OA capital letter then 3x o original product key, and after that just press enter. And here you can see the window is displaying your Windows 10 product key, and in this way you can pretty easily uh, find your product key. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.